This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, last class we were talking about map. What is a map data type? Whenever you have a key value pair, right? You have a key corresponding to that, you have a value. We call them as map data type. Remember that the key should be unique. It is a set, whereas values can contain duplicate, which is nothing but also known as list. The way list.class, set.class, string.class, decimal.class, we have map.class. I do know that you don't know what is the class means and everything as of now, right? Just understand class means a collection of pre-written programs. So you don't need to write a program to find whether it's an, contains a number or not, what is the size of it, what is the length of it. You have a predefined functions to be used. We call them as class, right? Now, the last data type, write down enumeration data type, enum. The last data type is called as enumeration. Girls, pen, extra. You have? Anda? You have it? Okay, thank you. Right. So, the last data type, write down enumeration data type. Copy it. Start writing enumeration, enum. Enum is an abstract data type. Enum is an abstract data type. No. Enum is an abstract data type which take finite set of enum is an abstract data type which take finite set of data which take enum is an abstract data type which takes finite set of data right, which takes finite set of data with an identifiers with an identifier with an identifier with an identifier is called enum. Is called enum. Now, Hyderabad, what type of data it is? String. 22.71, what type of data it is? Decimal. Minus 73, what type of data it is? Integer. Yes, what type of data it is? Boolean. True. Yes or no, true or false, Boolean, right? 27th December 1974, what type of data it is? Date. You see that in this world, whatever the data I give you, you can immediately identify them as a text, as a number, as a date, as a time, as a Boolean, as an ID, right? Something. Now let's assume that some data comes beyond your imagination. Let's assume that a data comes from Pluto, Mars. See, 10 years back, anybody thought that this Thenga is a data? 10 years back, 15 years back, did anybody thought like is also a data now, right? Earlier, data means only typing. Data means text. Data means visibility of a text. But nowadays, you put a post in the Instagram, a picture corresponding to that, somebody will say, ha, 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 ha. Another picture, another short moving clip. Somebody will give a smileys, yellow smileys. Those are also data now. Yes or no? How many likes? Is it somebody is Like? Nobody's typing that. They're clicking on that icon. What? Like, and the number is increasing. So this Kenga is also a data. This is also a data. This is a data. Smiley is a data. One picture, one video is a data. All these are today has become a data, and that is the reason you see in a market there is a concept called as big data. Hadoop. I might have seen banners, big data. That is exactly what it is. Today, data is not just typing text or a number or a decimal, yes, no, no. It is not restricted to that. You can store these numbers and everything in an Oracle database, in a SQL database. But how will you save a movie in a database? How will you save a picture in a database? Yes or no? అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? Select star from employee table. If you have written an SQL query, select name, comma, ID, comma, this. Tell me, how will you find the corresponding pictures for this account? Pictures cannot be stored inside the data, right? That is the reason today we have a concept called as big data. Salesforce supports undefined data, and those undefined data are called as enum. What do we call it? Enum. In single word, if I give you a data which you cannot categorize into a text, number, decimal, right, or in any format, then you will put them in a place called as enum. Enum is an abstract data type. Remember that. What is an abstract? The word abstract means, right? The word abstract means something you make it by your own, right? We will learn this in more details when we come to the abstraction property of OOPS concept. In a OOPS, there is a separate property called as abstraction, polymorphism, inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction. This abstraction is this here. As of now, don't try to understand. Keep it aside because you don't know what is an abstraction. How do you write it? Simple word. What is an enum? It is a abstract data type. That means it is a custom data type. A data type which I cannot define. I will put such data in a place called as enum. Write down the example. Enum, properties. Number one, enum must use a keyword enum. Enum must use a keyword enum. Number one. Number two, enum should be declared with access modifier. Enum should be declared with access modifier. Example, public, comma, global, comma, private, public, global, private. You have to declare, right? You have to declare access modifier. Next. Yes.
Can you please repeat that? I'm sorry. I just missed that. Can you please repeat that?
Sure. Enum must and should use access modifier. Example, public, global, private. Public, global, private. Enum should use an access modifier, right? These are the three access modifiers. Next, enum structure looks like a class. Enum structure looks like a class. Enum structure looks like a class. Enum doesn't have termination. Next line. Enum doesn't have termination. Enum doesn't have termination. Enum doesn't have a termination. Now let's understand, right? What is an enum and how do you write enum? Couple of statement you might not be able to understand, like access modifier, like a class, right? I told you when we come to the OOPS concept, Then you'll be able to understand what is this abstraction and what is its enum. As of now, remember how to write an enum. All enum, here it is, should start with an access modifier. Public. Rupam, what is this public? Leave it. Enum should use a keyword called enum. Public enum name. Enum should always start with a curly bracket like this. It looks like a class structure. Rupam, what is the class structure? We don't know. Leave it. Ila rastaru ante. As of now, what is the meaning? Induku rastunam? What is that public? Don't ask. Enum doesn't have a termination. There is no terminations. So don't put a semicolon, right? Public enum. Now I can give name Rupam, Anupam, Swati, Madhu. By looking at it, it looks like what? String. By looking at it, anybody can say it looks like a what? But actually, do you think it's a string? Because I'm not placing in a quotes. Whenever it's a string, I will put it inside what? Quotes. Now, it doesn't, it looks like a string, but see that I'm not declaring as a string. Ardhamotunda? This is called enum. What type of data? Is it a text? No. Is it a number? No. Then what type of data? It's the enum data. Enum take more than one data. Enum is also a collection. Remember that. Enum is also a collection. Collection means more than one data. Primitive is not a collection. Primitive will take only one. String name, Rupam. Right? Integer L, 25. It doesn't take more than one number. Collection take more than one number. List of integer. List of integer. List of string, cities. So remember that. Collection take more than one. Primitive take only one. A subject take one. Collection take more than one. Enum takes more than one. This is how you write enum. This is how you write enum. This is how you declare enum. Execute. No error at all. Right? Write down now. Structure. Example. This is the way the enums are written. Public, the keyword enum, name. You can give anything. Our name, my friend's name. Public enum, my friend name. Example, this is the structure. Perfect. Everyone clear? As of now, just understand this much. That's enough. Ila rastaru. Ila enduku rastaru? We'll talk later. As of now, don't think. This is how we declare an enum. Clear? Perfect. That's it for enum. We'll stop here. Now, write down the next. Number 6. Directly from 1, I'm going to the 6th concept. Write down. Conditional statement. Conditional statement. Statement that contains condition is called condition statement. Statement that contains condition is called conditional statement, also known as if-else statement. If-else, also known as if-else statement. Statement that contains condition is called condition statement, right? Also known as if-else statement. Structure. If condition, code. If else, code. This is a structure. Write down. Structure. If in a bracket condition, if in a bracket condition, then you have a code. else, then you have a code. This is the structure of an if-else condition. It is structure. If else. Else is not compulsory. Remember that. Else compulsory కాదు. రాయపోతే కూడా ఏం కాదు. If you don't write also, no issues. If you write also, no issues. Clear? Now, let's understand. Keep looking on it because today I'm going to come there. Get ready. Exactly after this example, I'm going to come there. Right? If everybody can see, is it clear? If rank equals to 1, rank double equals to means comparison. Compare చేయడం కోసం double equals to. Single equal to means passing a value. If I say rank equals to 1, that means rank ki 1 assign చేస్తున్నాం. Rank ki number 1 we are passing. Equal to means passing. Pass చేయడం is called equal to. That means a value I am passing to rank. There is a container called rank, which is empty container. A container I am passing 1. That is called equal to. Whenever you say double equal to, you are comparing that container. Is it 1 is inside this? This is called comparison statement. Double equal to is a comparison statement. Single equal to is equals to assignment statement. You are assigning a value to a container. Whereas double equal to means you are comparing the value of a container with something. Clear everyone? If rank equals to 1, system.debug. System.debug. Debug what? Gold medal. Gold medal. Right? Else if. Else. Right? I want to have more conditions to be checked. Then I will say else if. Else if what? Rank equals to 2. Then I will say system.debug, right? Silver medal. Else if suppose rank 2 kaadu, then I will say compare whether the rank equals to 3 or not. If yes, then print what? BRONZE, bronze medal. Suppose rank 1 kaadu, it's not 2, it's not 3. The last statement is called else statement. Last final statement is else. Guర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. You can keep on increasing this condition as many as time you want. Else if rank equals to 4, else if rank equals to 5, else if rank equals to 6. Finally, else ittadi iron medal. We'll give him a last iron medal. This is how you write an if-else statement. Everybody clear? Programmer, non-programmer? Yes? Will this program will work? Yes or no? If I execute, will I get an error? Yes or no?
Yes, sir, because
obviously
we have not defined
you will get an error. What is this rank? Nobody knows. So you have to define rank. Integer. Rank. Will this program will work? Will this program will now work? Yes or no?
We have to define a value for that also.
Will it work
Or
or
we have
not?
to input the value. No.
Why?
No.
I declared a rank null. There is no value inside it. It will work. Is it null equals to 1? No. It will go to the next one. Is null equals to 2? No. It will go to the next one. Is null equals to 3? No. For everything else, answer is iron medal. On the screen, you will get iron medal now. Execute. No error. Output will come. Debug. Iron medal. ఎందుకంటే rank la value లేదు because there is no value in the rank. Now we will say rank equals to 8. What will I get? Is 8 equals to 1? No, it will skip. Is 8 equals to 2? No. Is 8 equals to 3? No. For everything else, iron medal. On the screen, now I will get iron medal if I run this. Execute. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no? See, iron medal. I close it.
Sir, we didn't assign a rank to the iron medal. How come we get the rank 8 here?
What is that?
We didn't assign the value 8 to the iron medal.
So it is null,
How
no?
come
If you don't assign the value, then the container unda lega, whether there is a value inside the container or not is irrespective. I declared a container. It's an empty container. Is the value inside the container equals to 1? No. Then is the value inside the container 2? No, sir, there is no value. Okay, check next. Is value inside the container is 3? No. For everything else, iron. So inside the container, whether value is there or not, you don't need to worry about it because you're comparing. If there is no value, nothing to 1, no. Nothing to 2, no. Nothing to 3, no. For everything else, 1 gadu, 2 gadu, 3 gadu. For everything else, I said what? Iron medal. So for nothing also, it will give iron medal. For 21 also, it will give me iron medal. For 50 also, it will give me iron medal. For 6 also, it will give me iron medal. As soon as I say rank equals to 2, now I gave a value to the container 2. Is 2 equals to 1? No. Is 2 equals to 2? Yes. Immediately system will execute whatever is inside this. Whatever is inside this. Right? Inside this, if I write ACC orient account A equals to new account. New account. Name equals to or A dot name. A dot name equals to, right? A dot name equals to ASIN, Asian Games. Right? Next, A dot phone. A dot phone equals to 33333. Insert A. Tell me, if I write 3, will an account will be created? No. Is 3 is equals to 1? No. System will skip this. Is 3 is equals to 2? No. System will skip this. The mottam program skip ayipotadi. Is 3 equals to 3? Yes. System will run anything inside this bracket. Anything inside this green bracket will run. Account will be created only when the rank is 2. Because 2 is equals to 2, yes, then anything inside this bracket will get executed. Able to understand now? Yes or no? Right? Now if I say execute, you'll be able to see one account got created. Right? Execute. On the screen, what will be there? Silver medal will be there. Debug. Silver medal. Along with that, go and check the account. There is an account created called Asian Games. Guys, able to understand? Yes or no? Everyone in the class, right? Account. See? Right? Asian Games. One account, 2, 2, 3, 3 got created. Yes or no? Once again, I'm asking. Ardham avutunda? Yes. Perfect. Now I'm removing this account. How you write? This is the way you write. Right? If rank equals to 1. Now, can I write if inside if? Yes. Control X. If country equals to India, then 24-carat gold medal. Will this program work? No. System doesn't know what is the country. So you have to define the country first. String country. String country. Right? Now, read the program and tell me What is the output will I get? Don't answer, don't jump. I know whatever you're answering is wrong. What will I get?
Iron medal. Oh,
Iron medal, wrong.
Will not get anything.
You will not get anything. You will not get anything. Is rank 1? Yes. Is 1 equals to 1? Yes. All this program gone. ఎందుకంటే it satisfied the condition. It came inside the room. It will execute anything inside, remaining everything. So iron medal option is gone because rank equals to 1. Now system came inside this bracket. After that, if country equals to India, what is the country now? What is the country now? Null.
Null.
Is null equals to India? No. There is no statement. Only when the country is India, then it should be 24 carat. Now in this situation, country value is not given. Or if I say country equals to Pakistan, what will happen now? Rank 1, country Pakistan, is rank equals to 1. Once a system enters inside one room, remember that it cannot come out of the room. All doors are there. If 1, open the first door. If 2, open the second door. If 3, open the third door. If it's 1, it enters inside the door, it cannot come outside. Remember this. ఒక్కసారి ఆ రూమ్ లోపల వెళ్ళిపోతే whatever is there inside the room, అదే చేయాలి. You should do only that. You cannot come out of the room. So gold medal is in the last room. Sorry, iron medal is in the last room. We already entered in the right room 1 because rank equals to 1. Inside the room 1, there is another door. What is that door? If Pak, if India, then open that door. Now, what is that country? Pak. Pak ki door ledu. If there is India, then only open that door. If you open the door, you will find a gold medal. But now the country is PAK, Pakistan. Pakistan ki inside flat number 1, when I came inside, there is only one door called India. There is no door called Pakistan. There is no door called Bangladesh. So system says, sorry, I don't know what to do. There will be no output. It will stand quiet. Ardhamautunda leda? Yes or no now? If I give else here, else system.debug 22 carat gold. Now system is rank 1? Yes. It immediately opened the flat number 1. It goes inside. After going there are 2 doors. India, rest of the world. India, rest of the world. Is it country is India? No, Pakistan, which comes under else. It will open the else door. And then it will find 22 carat gold and it will show on the screen 22 carat. Right? If I don't give anything, then also it will show me 22 carat. Because other than India, anything will come in else. Ardhamautunda? Yes or no? Yes, everyone. Now, again inside this I'll write an else. If I can, these are called nested if inside if state equals to TS, then system.debug 24 carat GRT Kalyan Malabar, right? TVZ gold medal. From branded shop only we will give a gold medal, right? Now tell me, country is equals to India. Right? Now I say string state. Tell me, what will I get? What is the output?
Will not
22
get.
What is the output?
Will not get
Nothing.
anything.
Again, nothing. You'll get nothing output. First door is rank 1, rank 2, rank 3, rank 4. There are 4 doors are there in the apartment. Right? Is rank 1? In the container, yes, rank is 1. You will open the first door of the apartment. You enter in the house. Inside the house, there are 2 doors again. India, else. Is it value equals to India? Yes, you'll open the India door. Inside India door, you went inside the India room now. Inside the India room, there are how many doors are there? Only 1. I entered here now. This is my apartment I entered. Apartment start here, apartment ends here. Anything within this only I can do. Inside that there is only 1 door. What is that? State TS open. But now what is the state? Null. What the system will do now? Nothing. Even if I say state equals to AP, then also I'll get no output. Because 1, yes, I entered the flat. Inside that there are 2 doors, 2 rooms are there. India room, else room. Right? Is it the value is India? Yes, I opened the India room. Now inside that there is only 1 door. If TS, then only you'll open the door. If it's not TS, you cannot do anything because there is no doors inside it. So if I say TS, then you will get 24 carat Kalyan, Malabar, TBZ, right? GRT gold medal. Other than TS, if I give anything, MH Maharashtra, I will get nothing. Ardhamotunda, yes or no? Yes, sir, yes, sir. You have to see the doors inside doors. Remember that. Whenever rank is 1, anything between this green bracket will get executed. From 5 to line number 17. Yes, tell me. No, if I give Maharashtra, you will not get 22 CT. Huh? No. Yes, okay. Keep watching. Rank 1. Is it rank 1? I'm not right. I've deleted the program from here. Right? Forget about those second rank now, as of now. Is rank 1? Yes. System will enter in this door. The flat door is open. Inside this flat, how many doors are there? Right? If from here it starts, there are 2 doors. This is the first level, second level, third level. First level, second level, third level, green. First level, rank 1, done. I entered inside the house. Is country equals to India? Yes, it will open the India door. It is already inside the India door. How can it go to the else door now? The possibility of else door is gone. Once you enters that room, you cannot come out of the room. Else is a pakka room. You already entered inside one room. You cannot come outside. Ardhamavutunda leda. Right? Simple word. Right? Big house. This is a big house. Inside that, you have 4 doors available. Door 1, door 2, door 3, and else door. This is door number 1. Whenever rank is 1, whenever rank is 2, whenever rank is 3, whenever else. And everything, any other number. Now I said rank equals to 1. System will go inside this door. It entered. Once it enters, it cannot come out. Remember that. All these possibilities are gone now. Ignored, gone. It cannot ever go into that room because it's already entered in that room. As soon as it enters the room, the door closes. So it cannot come outside. Inside this, again, I have 2 doors. Inside this, again, I have 2 doors. What is that? Door India. Door else. Now the system will enter. Is it India? Yes. It enters inside the India. As it enters the India, immediately the possibility of entering in the second door is gone because the India door get closed. He has to be inside the room. Inside this, there is a one more door now. What is that? State. It says TS. The door name is TS. Is the state TS now? No. The state is what? AP. What it will do inside this room now? Nothing. The answer is nothing. It will not come to this else statement. Ardhamautunda leda? Yes or no? As simple as this. System will not come. This option is completely gone. Because once it enters the India, it is inside this room. It cannot come out of the room. ఒక్కసారి లోపలికి వెళ్ళిపోతే ఇంకా బయట రాలేరు. Inside that, there is only one more door available. What is that? You should open that door only when the state is TS. Now the state is Maharashtra. You cannot open this door. And you cannot go anywhere also. Ardhamautunda? If I execute now, I will get nothing on the screen. Nothing. Debug. 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 Blank. 22 ledu, 30. Nothing is there because after entering inside the door, there is only one. What is that? TS. There is no other option. It doesn't know where to go. It is packed inside that room. It cannot come out of the room. Door is closed. System terminates. Sorry, bhai. Na valla gaadu. No answer. It comes out. This is how it's working. If I say TS, is it rank 1? Yes, it enters in the first flat. Inside the first flat, there are 2 doors. Is it country India? Yes, it opens the India door. Automatically, the next door room is ruled out because you already entered in that room. Once you open one door, you cannot open any other door. At a time, you can open only one door. So it opened the India. It went inside. Is it state TS? Yes. There is one more door on that TS is written. Is it that in my pocket I have a TS? Yes. Country's TS. It opens the door and it finds a gold medal. If I run this, I will get 24 karat gold medal. Ardhamautunda? Right? Double click. I click on debug. 24 karat. Now, if I say rank is 1, country is Pakistan. Country is Pakistan. Now what will happen?
22 karat
Perfect.
gold.
Is rank equals to 1? Yes, it enters the door. It will enter this door only when the country is India. Now, what is the country? Country is Pak. Pak is nothing but don't open the India door. Everything other than India will be else door. So it will open the else door. Under the else door, now whether the state is TS or not, it doesn't care. Right? It will just go ahead and print 22 karat gold on the screen. Execute. I will get 22 karat gold. Even though TS is there, but TS now don't have a value. Right? I will get a 22 karat gold on the screen. Guys, able to understand? Yes, sir. Else lo kuda click chesukochu. Yes, why not? Else. 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 If. Inside else also you can write if. Inside else also you can write if. If what? If, right? Country equals to India kaadu kada. Else if, right? Else if, what should I give? Other than this, any other country, right? If country country is equals to country is equals to with which country, right? Nepal. We have a very good relationship with Nepal because we don't need a passport to go there. We have a bilateral agreement, right? So Nepal. Then I will say, right? System.debug 22 karat gold, 22 karat gold. Else, sorry, else, roadside la gold shops untai chushara, from there we will give 22 karat gold. Now you see, right? Suppose, tell me what is the answer now. What will I get? What will I get?
22 carat.
22 carat local gold.
I will get 22 carat local gold. Is rank 1? Yes. Right? Let me draw full to the last. Okay. Right? Can I make it small? No. Fine. Can I take it top? Yes, but then there will be problem then. Okay. Enta work possible, anta work I am dragging. Is rank 1? Yes, it enters the house. Right? This is the first door it entered. Kinda inkokudi undi. Else if I've already deleted those. RANK rank equals to 2. Then system dot print, right? Silver medal. Silver medal. Else if rank equals to 3, then bronze medal. I'll change the number. Wait. Rank equals to 3, then bronze. If else iron medal. Else IRO and iron medal. This is the complete program. Now, rank 1. Is it rank 1? Yes, it enters that door. Remaining all the program below the green is ignored because it entered that door. The room is open. Inside the room, next, what is the door? To check the country. Is country is India? It will not enter this door. It will come to the else door. Only when the country is India, it will open that door. Then it will check for Telangana state. Now country is not India. So this whole piece is ignored, gone. Other words, gone. Because country is their park. Other than India, it will come where? Else. It will open this door. After opening this door, again it finds 2 doors. Nepal, open. Other than Nepal, open this. Is it country is Nepal? Is Pak equals to Nepal? No. It will not open this door. It will open which door? Else door. So on the screen, answer is 22 karat gold. If I say, right, Nepal, right, that's okay. Nepal. Is rank 1? Yes, this door is open. Next, is it country is India? No, then this door is not open. Gone. Else, other than India, everything, this door will get open now. Again, when it enters that room, again it finds 2 doors. If Nepal, open that room. Other than that Nepal, open second room. So is it Nepal? Yes. System will open this room. Else room is ruled out now. Now, in that room, it finds 22 karat GRT Kalyan Malabar TBZ gold. On the screen, it will give you this one. Everybody clear? Yes, sir. Anybody has a confusion? Anybody? You can write if else anywhere. You can write inside else, again if else. Inside that else, again you can write if else. Inside if also you can write if. Inside else also you can write if. You can write anywhere, wherever you want. No restriction at all. N number of time, N number of conditions you can give. Condition inside condition, consider inside condition you can give. Ardhamautunda? If you're able to understand this, your programming life will become easy. There is no rocket science in the programming. You have to just visualize, right, how the programming is working. Yes or no? Clear? Right. Now, chalo, I'm coming to you now. Write a program to calculate greater of 3 numbers. Greater of 3 number. right? Write a program to calculate greater of 3 number. Integer num1, integer num2, integer num3. These 3 numbers are given to you. Now calculate. Chalo. Calculate greater of 3 number. Let me see what you write. Calculate the greater of 3 number. I've given you number 1, number 2, number 3. Now try to calculate. How will you calculate? Let me see what you write. Using if-else statement. If-else statement. Think. You can take 2 minutes, 3 minutes for thinking before writing. Asal em cheddamani. Remember that number 1 can be 97. Number 2, any one of the number can be greater. I can shuffle the number as I like. I can say number 1 97, number 2 66, number 3 12. Ipudu number 1 is greater. Then I will change it. 3 97 4. Then which number is greater now? Number 2. I can say 1 199. Which number is greater now? Third number is greater. So ee moodutlo emana peddaga undochu. No guarantee. So you have to write a logic. Whichever number I gave, system should say this is a greater number. Start, think. Let it be wrong. I don't mind. Wrong aithe wrong e. Check it out. Let me see. I want to see your starting. మీరు అసలు ఎలా శ్రీ గణేశాయ నమః ఎలా చేస్తారు చూడాలి నేను. అమ్మా అక్క ఫుల్ రాసిస్తున్నావు. గుడ్ గుడ్ గుడ్. యూఆర్ ఇన్ ద రైట్ ట్రాక్. Innovation starts here. Think. Think from the computer brain. Integer 1 ఏదో చేస్తున్నావు. రాస్తుండు చూద్దాం ఏమైంది. స్టిల్ థింకింగ్. Good. You're in a track. Absolutely wrong, but still you are in the right direction. Good. Program is wrong, but it's okay. Your thinking is working. Let me see. Ma, very good. Program is wrong, but it's good. Number is greater. Right. You're in the right direction. Shubhi? Perfect. Good, good. Tell me, I'll come to everywhere. Don't think that I'll leave you. System delivered number 1 again. Wrong program, but it's okay. Answer radle. Khatarnak answers will come. Still thinking. Right? Okay. Now watch. Now watch. That's okay. First time gada. Watch. ఇలానే రాయాలని రూల్ లేదు. You can write programming the way you're writing, that is also correct. అది కూడా correct. Many people have written the program in other way, which is right. Keep watching. If, right? What is that? If num1 is greater than num2. Num1 ఇంకా num2 మధ్యలో which one is greater now? If num1 is greater, then system will enter this door. So between num1 and num2, which is greater? Num1 is greater. That means if num1 is greater than num3. If num1 and num2, first compare these two. In simple word, ఒక్క number ని remaining two numbers నుంచి compare చేయాలి. First compare 1 with 2 and 3, then compare 2 with 1 and 3, then compare 3 with 1 and 2. This is your main aim. 1, first I'll pick up the first number. Is it greater than 2? That means 1, 2 madhyalo 1 is greater. Now miglindi what is remaining? Third. Now I'm comparing 1 to 3. Is it 1 is greater than 3? So 1 is greater than 2, already you confirmed. Then you are confirming 1 is greater than 3. See, 1 is greater than 2. Yes. Only when it yes, it will enter this door. Now you're confirming is, yes, we can use that. I'll come there. If 1 is greater than 2, now out of this 2, 1 is greater. Now in the second time I'm confirming is 1 is greater than 3. If yes, then answer is system.debug. The greater number is plus num1. Suppose num1 is not greater than num2. Now, else, if between num1 and num2, you realize that num1 is not greater. If num1 is greater, it will go inside this. Now, no, num1 is not greater than num2. Then between num1 and num2, which one is greater? Num2 is greater. So now, is num2 is greater than num3? Already between num1 and num2 you compared and you said num1 is not greater. Then which one is greater? Num2 is greater. Now you have to compare num2 with num3. Is num2 is greater than num3? Yes. Then system.debug. The greater number is num2. Suppose no, num1 is not greater than num2, then num2 is greater. Num2 is not greater than num3. That means the only ఒకటే number మిగిలింది ఇప్పుడు. Then I will say else system.debug, the greater number is num3. Over guys. I told you else రాయడం అవసరం లేదు ఇక్కడ. You can write if. That is the first way of doing the program. This is the wave 1. Wave 1. I give any number randomly, you'll get the answer. Equals to 99, equals to 78, equals to 36, equals to 44. Which one is greater now? 78 is greater. When I run this, I should get what? 78 as the answer on the screen. Let's see. Right? The greater number is 78. See? Next, I change it. I say 236. Which one is greater now? Num2 is greater. When I execute it, I should get what? 236. Right? Execute. The greater number is 236. Now I close it. Now I change the number. 544. Which one is greater now? Third one has become a greater. Execute. I double click on it. Right? I double click on it. I click on debug. See? I change the number in any sequence, it is working. First one way. Now I will do the way two. Way two. You can write in another way also. Let's see. Second way. You want to take a picture, take out your mobile phone, take a pic. I don't mind. Anybody would like to take a picture in the class can take it. Screen pictures. Right? But make sure that I come handsome. Okay. Right? Perfect. If now I'm writing the second way. Keep watching. I'll give you a time again to write. First, watch this. If num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3. Num1, num2 నుంచి పెద్దగా ఉంది. Num1, num3 నుంచి greater. By this you can understand num1 is greater. System.debug. Num1 is greater. Else, if now num1 is over. Now take num2. Num2 greater than num1 and num2 greater than num3. Number 1 check చేసేసాం. Number 1 greater than number 2, number 1 greater than number 3. అంటే between 2 and 3 number 1 is greater. Suppose no. Now I am checking what? Num2. Num2 is greater than num1? Yes. Num2 is greater than num3? Yes. The greater number is. Do I now need to check num3? Awesome లేదు. ఉన్నదే 3 number. Out of that 1 you have checked, 2 you have checked. If both fails, then which is the greater number? So I don't need to do is num3 greater than num1, is num3 is greater than num2. Every number I am comparing with the other numbers. For num3 I need not to do that because already first is compared with the 2, second is compared with the 2. Now the only number remain is that, right? Num3. So I did not to compare, I will say else. Else what? Num3. This is the second way of writing the program. This is the first way of writing the program. Where it will come? Way 1. Without using and. Suppose you don't know Rupam. Then you have the first way. Which I just did here also. If inside, if inside, if inside, if. Here also same thing. Way 1, way 2. Now if I execute, I will get 2 answers. 544, 544. I'll get 2 answers. Way 1 also will 544, way 2 also. See, both 544, 544. Now anything you shuffle, it will give you the same answer. Ardhamautunda leda, yes or no. Yes, yes or no, no. Ayyo, mokal juste. Not able to understand? Yes or
Three
no?
numbers are equal one, then what? It will.
What is that? What is
If
that?
3 numbers are equal,
That scenario you have not taken, no? Good, no? If 3 numbers are equal, then first I will check equal. If, chalo, then this will become else if. If num1 is equals to num2 and num1 is equals to num3, num1 is equals to num2, num1 equals to num3. That means all the numbers are same. System.debug. All the numbers are same. All the given numbers are same. Over. First, I'm comparing all are equal or not. 1 is equals to 2. Again, 1 equals to 3. That means 2 is equals to 3. Logic, mathematical. 1 is equals to 2. 1 is equals to 3. That means obvious that 2 is equals to 3. Line 1 is parallel to second line. Line 1 is parallel to the third line. That means second and third are also parallel. As simple as that. You need not to check line. Okay, ila raste kuda problem ledu. Line 1 is equals to 2. Is 2 is equals to 3? Yes. That is also will work. Anta brain లేదు సార్ అంటే కూడా it will work. Don't worry. Think logically. You have to build. Programming is all in your brain. Language constructs are just right. The way you want to express your love to a girl, you don't get a words. అసలు ఎలా చెప్పాలి? చెయ్యి కొయ్యాలా? I should cut the hand, show that నువ్వు నాకంత ఇష్టము, or I should do like a Hanuman, cutting my heart and show you that you are in my heart, or I should give her a good gift, or I should give her a flower, or I should write a love letter. Before you express your feeling, you have to go ahead. Battery gone. Just a minute. So before you express a feeling, you have to think. Here also, before you write a program, you have to think. Right? All English dictionaries are there. Rose flower is there in the garden. Knife is there in the shopping mall. Right? In a grocery store. Only difference is that konkotam. You have to go buy cut. You can go and buy a rose, give. You can buy a paper, write and give. Multiple ways you can express your love. Same way this also. You have to think, nene ela rayale. What way I should impress the girl? Here also, what way I should impress the system? Right? All these if, else, all these words are with now with you. You can form something. You know data type. If it's a text, then 20 liters of raktam chupistanu. Liters is a 20 is a number, integer blood. Right? So now you start declaring the variables. You have to think all these things. Program is thinking. It's a language. The way you want to express something in, when I don't know Telugu, I'll also think the word. In Japale, how should I tell? Right? The way when you speak Hindi, you think and you speak. When you speak Telugu, you don't think and speak. Why? Because you know it fluently. Right? But when you speak English, people who are weak in English, they will think, what is the next word? Here also same thing. You have to think and you have to write. Clear everyone? Yes or no? One more program. Ready now to rock? Yes. One more program. Perfect. Okay. Write a program to calculate area of shapes. Write a program to calculate areas of a shape. Right? Now let's do it. Integer L. Integer breadth. Integer height. String shape. A shape can be rectangle. Rectangle. A shape can be triangle. A shape can be trapezium. You remember trapezium formula? A plus B by 2 into H Somebody remembers? Area of a trapezium. This is the formula. A plus B by 2 into H. Length plus breadth into height. So now I gave you everything. Using an if-else statement, write a program. Write a program. Let's see. Think. Oh, sorry. Think. These are the basics. If you are able to write this program, then only you'll be able to write all Apex programs. I'm in your school college days. By knowingly, I didn't give you to see the above program. A greater number program, before you can copy only, I moved it up. Because I want to see without seeing how you write. Think. Done? Oh. Hmm. Perfect. Good. Good. Never thought ఇలా క్లాస్ కూడా ఇలా కూడా అడుగుతుందని అనుకోలేదు కదా. That this guy will be moving around the class. You might have thought he will teach the class, sit there and he'll go away. మనం కూడా వింటాం వెళ్ళిపోతాం. Done? Very good. String. Wow, good. But first time good ఇస్తున్నాను. After a long time, I have to give you also. The boys, last la they are proving. Girls is leading అని వాళ్ళు ప్రూవ్ చేసుకుంటున్నారు. Good. Done, boys. Very good. Uh, let's see. 1 minute. I'll see this first. Correct it. Yep. It's good. But calculate the area. You should have calculated the area first కదా. మనం ఇది ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకుంటా ఇది బయట క్యాల్కులేట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది కదా. ఏఆర్ యూ కెన్ ఓకే పైన ఇంకొక ఆన్సర్ డిక్లేర్ చేసి AR equals to length into breadth. Then system.debug just plus AR. Perfect. Good. That would bound. Show me. If no. No, that's okay. Try. Keep on trying. Decimal AR. Okay, I gave A. Okay. AR. What happened? Battery is not there. Huh? Hello. Anyhow, let's see. Shape else if. Perfect. Good. Abba. Handshake plus pen. ఎవరో బాయ్స్ పరువు నిలబెట్టాడు. గుడ్. కాపీ 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 త్వరగా అందరు ఆన్సర్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్. ఫ్రంట్ బాయ్స్ బ్యాక్ లో ఆన్సర్ వచ్చింది. బాయ్స్ బ్యాక్ సైడ్ సంబడి రిజాల్వ్. త్వరగా కాపీ చేసుకోండి ఎక్కడి నుంచి. Now let me see online what onlines are doing. If area, who's this? Badal Kumar Nayak. Badal correct, Badal wrong. Wrong. Next, if shape is this, Josna correct, but remember that shape rectangle has to be in a quote. Perfect. Now let's do. See here. The last one you have to do. Otherwise, I'll not leave you. You'll sit with that class also. Which class? Next, Gumpula Govinda. You will sit, you'll write, you'll show, and then you'll go. Okay, guys. Now let me write this program. It's quite simple. If shape equals to rectangle. If shape equals to rectangle, right? Then, right, what you will do? Declare one more variable here. That what you need. int, gr, integer. Actually, all decimal. I should have taken decimal. Oh, that's okay. If you take integer also, no issues. Decimal AR. AR equals to length into breadth. System.debug. System.debug. The area of plus shape plus is plus AR. అర్థమైందా? The area of, already you will give a shape rectangle. The area of rectangle is AR. AR is here. Length into breadth. Else, if shape equals to, what is that? Triangle. Then AR equals to 0.5 half into base into height. Half into base into height, right? So base into height. Base B into H. Half into base into height over. Same thing again. The area of ante shape, because here I'll give shape equals to triangle. So automatically the area of triangle is, I need to change the program anytime. Next, I can directly say else, but I will say else if. Else if what? Shape equals to trapezium. Shape equals to trapezium. Shape equals to trapezium. Here, shape equals to trapezium. Then you know the formula. AR equals to, what was that? A plus B by 2 into H. A plus B. That means L plus B. L plus B by 2 into H over. Now the same thing. The area of plus shape. Else system.debug. System.debug. You are too genius. You are too intelligent. Please contact NASA or ISRO for more details. Right? There we go. Over. Now I say length equals to 55. Breadth equals to 66. Height equals to 12. Shape equals to Shah Rukh Khan. Calculate the area of Shah Rukh. What will be the answer? You are too intelligent. System will say, is it Shah Rukh equals to rectangle? No. System will come out of the second door. Is it shape equals to triangle? Is it Shah Rukh equals to triangle? No. Is it Shah Rukh equals to trapezium? No. For everything else, what the system will do? You are too intelligent. Yes or no? You are trying to calculate the area of Shah Rukh Khan. So obviously you are too intelligent.
Quotes missing.
Right? Somewhere I missed the quotes. Where did I
Last line,
miss?
else part.
I didn't close that. There we go. Execute highlighted. Unexpected token AR. Decimal AR, I didn't give a semicolon termination. See? Don't worry. This is the way you learn. Execute highlighted. Your answer will be, you are too intelligent. System cannot calculate the area of Shah Rukh Khan. So please contact NASA or ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. Clear now? Now you give any value. You go ahead and say shape equals to triangle. If you say shape equals to rectangle, then this height is ignored. Even though I'm giving height 12, a height panikaradu. Because in the formula, I'm not using it. Right? Length into breadth, 55 into 66 only will come. Right? That's it. Execute highlighted. You'll get the area of the rectangle is 3630. From where this rectangle word came? From the shape. The area of, I gave the text, plus shape is, I gave, plus AR calculated. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? మెల్లమెల్లగా, slowly now it's getting inside your brain. Yes sir, no. Yes sir, no sir, no sir. Yes everyone, tell me. I can calculate this also inside this. Somebody said that, Rupam, can I calculate the area inside this? Yes sir. Like this, take this whole, Control C, remove everything, This is also correct. Another way, Control C, the area plus, right? That's also correct. This is correct. That is correct. Anni correct. Able to understand? I'm calculating, storing in AR, displaying AR. I don't want to store. I don't want to store in a variable. I directly want to display. Then this is also correct. I want to display with a text message. Otherwise, here only the number will come 3360. No, the area of. Then in that case, I'll do like this. Everything is correct. There is nothing that is incorrect. You can do the same thing for everywhere. Right? Clear now? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes.
Now, Rupam, I declared AR here. Top. Can I put it here? Yes, you can. You can declare AR inside this also. Decimal AR. Then you have to declare everywhere because decimal AR is only between here. Here it will give an error. Where is AR? Because this is one door. This is one room. The AR you have put inside one room. Second room cannot come and take the AR from the first room. Then you have to declare AR in every room. That is the reason what I'm doing. I'm declaring the AR outside the room. అర్థమవుతుందా లేదా? These are all rooms. Room 1, room 2, room 3. I have declared the AR right where? At the top itself. Every room can use it. But if you declare the AR inside a room, then in second room also you have to say decimal AR. Third room also you have to say decimal AR. Everywhere you have to keep one glass. If you keep the glass outside, anybody can take the glass. But if you keep the glass inside one room, the other room cannot come and take the glass from that room. No, not allowed. Adi na property. Our room people only should use. Anybody inside that room only will be able to use if you declare it inside. That is the reason all the declaration we are doing first and then we are using it. You can declare these all inside a room also. No issue at all. But if you declare a room, then every room you have to declare. Able to understand? If there's a chair inside your house, Pakka auntie can come and take your chair? No. But if the chair is in the corridor, anybody can take it. If you take, Nida, Kadigada, I'll take it. Common. So that's the reason I've kept it common here. Guys, yes or no? Boom boom avutunda leda brain. Everyone, see, I'm trying my level best to make you understanding program. Whether you are able to feel it or not, nobody will ask you in the Salesforce to write this. These are all time waste classes, to be open and frank. Do you think that in real time somebody will ask you to calculate a greater of 3 number, area of no? We have not even come to the real programming. These are all to give you how we write the program. You're trying to learn programming with me. Yeah? Shall we write one more program? Easar me రాయాల్సిందే. This time you have to write. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Right? I'm thinking, what should I give? I'll give you very simple. Very simple. Write a program to calculate basic maths. Integer. కనీసం ఇదేనా చేయండి. INTEGR. Integer. A. Integer or integer num1. Num1. Integer num2. Right? String MA math, string math. Math can be add, subtract, multiply, division. కనీసం ఏదైనా చేయండి. If I say math equals to add, I should get the addition of the two numbers is, the subtraction of two number is, the multiplication of two number is, the division of two number is. Else, math equals to Shahrukh. You are too intelligent. Please contact NASA and ISRO. Please. If this is done, I will leave you. Everybody has to do. I want to see. You will do, then you will go out. You do, you can leave the class for today. If you don't do, you will sit here. Right? By the way, online guys, that's the end of the class. I'm stopping the recording here. If you have done, copy paste the program and then go.